my little newsies. I am now officially an Uber driver, and I did my very first trip. Today is Sunday, and I'm sitting here waiting for another person who needs a ride. Okay, I'll be back. Hey, my little newsies. I have now done a third trip, and I made about $45 so far. So far, Uber seems to be okay to me. So I'm gonna run in here in the store to go to the restroom and maybe sit around here and see if somebody need a Uber here. All right, I'll be back. My little newsies, I am at Dollar Tree and I am tripping. All these balloons all up in this. No, don't take it out the basket. I'm coming. Just do yours first. Do yours first. That's just crazy. That's a lot of wasted money up there in the ceilings. Hey, my little newsies. Can y'all guess what I'm doing? I'm getting my car washed. Yeah. It's gonna scrub my paint off. It sounds like it got stuck. I wonder if it has the wheel scrubber. Sounds like it's gonna scrub the paint off of my car. Hopefully my car come out good.